Good day everyone. So for today, ang ituturo ko sa inyo ay kung paano mag-change ng password sa Facebook profile account. In order to do that, so bali, you just need to log in on your Facebook and kindly click these three lines here on the right side. And then after that, kindly scroll down and then makikita niyo yung settings and privacy. Click that. After that, click settings. And then, under dito sa account, makikita no, merong personal and account information at meron ring password and security. So, kindly click the password and security. After that, kindly scroll down. And then, as you can see here, may makikita kayong login. And then, meron dito change password. So, if you think na medyo madali lang mahulaan yung password nyo, you can change your password here. Or if sa tingin nyo may nag-hack or may nakakaalam na ng password ng inyong Facebook, you can change your password here. So, click this and then after that, you just need to type your current password and then type your new and strong password and then retype it. Then after that, click update password and then you may now re-log in using your new password. And that's it on how to change your password in Facebook profile account.